men can't show me. So now, I'm not catch next person. Men can't show me. And no, right?
You have your own best friend.
Yeah.
Almost only now for but your best friend. I will transfer from what the really be catching me.
Your best friend is another person's best friend.
Always, yeah. No, keep it to yourself. Keep it. I will tell you. Bit me out. So over every 2 hours, and can't you be because I didn't want your time.
Yeah.
So until 9 years by a year, birthday, and I remember who said birthday, date me so. My clock, no one for a year. Every crana, I didn't want to be a man who so obey and Sana among for application. But I already said, oh, maybe medium and very simple.
Okay.
Family, you may worry on the 28th of August, 1993. Family, you know, I'm now from 89. I have 4 years.
Uncle, yeah.
Because you fear, you know.
Okay.
And I owe your mommy on the 14th of August, 1998. AMA, we bought Coca-Cola.
Great,
and one to be number, but can't buy a new bag. So the band crying 100 cities.
Wow.
And I'm doing Kawaii Ashemia.
Wow.
But I get to go. I celebrate my wife.
Yeah.
On Facebook Day when the warrior do an
anniversary.
That's right. So beyond how I'll carry yourself now, celebrate your warrior. So, oh, warrior. Expectations are very, very, very high.
That's right.
The expectations are very, very high. Say, Obama, oh, yeah, in MP. I am a member beer. One celebrities, so, Jamia, I know I'm a jealous crowd. Especially the actress. Now, Mako, you know, be kiss you. A make to believe. And yes, a make to believe. Because I didn't think you could make a conscience.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is all your Christian. Now, you have one to stay. There's greater. Just what is great. But intentionally, what you know. And yet, yes, I say, oh, yeah, your conscience will let you live free. And it's as almost acting as I do with Stanger. Probably you should say, Sikaya. Then you should be else to kind. Say, by young couple. So, what way you know, I won't have any cool. Hey, a jealous to be over by social media, crying, crying, and pet. We don't want to be so best for the cool Yamana. You know, it will be an hour. They want to fund their life. We have a celebrities in the idea of Wakawari, Ubia, or is Can you know
what coming next day in him now? And I mean, Yanko.
Yes, of course, Kenny, or always kind of best also. Or the best also. And in marriage, in a relationship, you know, I dare about power or Yanko Yema and if I sex. So, the reason why Yanko Sana Calabano is so bad, Bemada. Now, 77 while I had a series Yanko policy design, no. Not 7 who's and was the name of your head. Oh my God! I mean, Yakupo, they are not signed and set by young Kalamba over the door. What's that here?
I confirm.
It depends on your problem. So if you look at the age difference, what if you are 60 years? Nothing or 20. Tell it all her life, no, Afrobeat. In fact, it's a bit of Impama grow a bit a lot of people. Sompa. Because certain of any name association finer. Oko. It is so choosing a partner in terms of you being a celebrity. So I'm hearing maybe welcome when you're getting your but any different and Japan. One way out when you be that sanity.
Wow. Yebeko, sir, the same time not or worry, Sikanibia, Omun Tematiti. Emma, I'm second was a cry of a Jerry Ban Rano. Nay, show said, or nay, another Sikaniku every Equina who trap each other, no so cry who internet. Now, nay, honorable, no, nay, a shine first, no. Okojina election cry, much I say, honorable worry. Why report? I might be the move, leave me girl, necessary, because all following. Social media near there. Until your day to two. Near ya discuss it too, you to me who difference, no. I mean, Baku choose say obey display the relationship. Emma obey a woman a friend is a public affair. Ama obia be movie. And then the results na saying na and then this is one that we have like fine ones in Ghana, you know. And not Uncle Freddy, I just want us to touch on that. The fact that number one, now Papa ne air from politically though, they are blaming the lady. And then number two, Senya, ye date relationships no etwabon. And then and I say Kim Kardashians say normal life neda bon me and nuna ya ye pesi sia anna.
Abna yam fan Nigeria story we. I was seeing in I who say and crofo me nuna seeing in I who say and crofo me nuna moa. Ubia on the fans. Ubia on the fans. Ubia on the fancy. No one said, Menon and Namanintino. Bebria Nank was side. Beba me side so. I can't because of association.
Okay. And
Untina say, young fan is a political party. Nasa what don't hunk or bone. Now when you're popular poor because of association, that a dean unti.
Not what
Ubia Kase. Or tuaba the amount. In the same way as a celebrity, so one send your own year because in the first place, you should be able to build a strong, firm trust between you and the person you are working with.
Okay. To say no way now we here. It's a Friday, freestyle Friday. So we need more clock abo. Some delight o'clock. Hey, o time for no be chire yeah, chire no share. The Tibia, oh, yet, dear, on to me. Share and pay me for Professor Budinyamiche on Command Your Morning or chair on EHA, now I make a chair or say. And you'll be Anna or any desa will tears you. And tia woman no more yomun no more chichin yama no more kikan yama no or chisoni paninya and Kawukradi and Kia Refiat for assassins. Nenso aha na mpesa otie ne ye no nenso senya metia si de wo betna se atnase edi wunda nyina me na erade asema waka se ebeba so abrabo mu ebeba so ugidi akase amen obi biara o hihye bibie tia obia ewie back to sender yeto tuni nyina momu omu akanchi ahye kona akanchi ayi keka nsam ayese obi kura wo ha wesiesie hu a wo kona wonye ne hwekro nyanka wa poli a wate ahwe hey back to sender Nina ya bobo back. Anyway, Mima will good afternoon. Alrighty, the Makasha was a Sompa delight o'clock. We're a special Friday session. Freestyle Friday. And I say Siona so tosano Edishranebo. Enti Jody edishira na eba Jody so to sagra da bi bom kura na ununu say bibi na ACC ye releasing your ma from the heavens unto you enti receive yours release bia if you heaven eba no receive yours in Jesus name amen. We pa cho so dim say dia me just so ane Abena Ruthy I na metnasi say so there na ne was me that Lexter Company Limited I say omu boaye pa omu no ma yesi sretia omu ne de ka kitu bi nka sretia ne ya abo ho sretia ho ma omu boaye ai enti ye there ade ase ene ye freestyle Friday who never fail forevermore I have ever ye nyame no oni ye hwamo oh ni oye na ye fedodo ohye sa na eko enti na ese uma enioma ehye wosu no dabi because onim ai enti nyare hye mu se nyankropon basaye adom no obeju afiri mu ni ekobia na we ka no se Friday kra na se yie bi na to a mesrew usu kakra na wajai no wenya ahotoso we erade mu because ne ekone de eko but onu erade owo bebre na ewe anim a ode brew enti no kan akoma to yem wate kan akoma to yem wa so eja onsa to bi so wo be wedding no chine bi sa na yesre erade nhira ma nsuo ye toyi eye nhira nko a ene de brew Okay, na no. So okay. If I'm from Wednesday, I'm starting board the room. Say, and if freestyle Friday, na hani edi befa. Sanya insio no style you know. Me hope say you do for me to be do. No man do cry, you be feel it. You be feel it. Catch up say you be feel it. And to see an myself Robbie. No be Frobi. No be so Frobi. Like I says Sompa delight o'clock so enti no ma nyina yenkoti enti because eneno ye beye asubesi one said enti no ofaje
yes madam me
mo akwa be
me jinsu international
edi amane na wo he
amane de bebre wo he tene ya be di ani abe
yaba se bibia yeboko
adum de biasa na meka na se etimi kekan ho na tetremai eda ya bodwum na moje
edi emu afusane
ya adum ampa na wan sorry antimi obi antimi mpese urade hwe
chale
the power to wake up enya alarm na eboye na
debi o debi alarm ne de anya hwe
o na etimi bokra na o do that na
na me most of the time no me sorry answer alarm no me sorry answer and dey be ma say bibi de nya no
sa
bibi de nya no me sorry answer alarm no nti me sorry no me share time na say be hu say afei na e kobo yeah
na de wo so kra na alarm no be bo so nte
enye easy e che say ema hu say nyame bi wo ba bi Sunsum ye juma like bibi wo ho. Bibi wo ho. Bibi wo ho. Na sa wo de wo ho twere nia ono no so sen o mu nyina na. Oh, ene abrabo no ebekoto te na ye fe. It doesn't matter what comes your way. Unim say uye nkunimdifo because nyo so sen o mu nyina no. Ono no bo wachidom. Ye wazoye
o kan so ono so se mu nyina oni ma ba meti
o so che wonyina
eno bai
ena de we
oh asanko oh na asanko
oh me ena na ma ni sako kai mission o de ye metie for hu ne ye konne no yes see and then no say presenter bia wetie no wa ha wo ba beka adekra o kapa wo kai I mean, maybe any signature or something.
May release it, and I won't say yes.
And 2 person will start here. Okay. And before we start, me show names the mommy. Now rules of engagement in the yes say uba. Na say obia friend or bo be did the damn pacho bofufro. And then because say yes she me no miensa. Say na be ya wo uba ho mani ma na wo de eh say den so na start. Ai ahome release. Because and then no ye be diegori ye be diegori ye tie for ye be diegori nti ahome release ye release ahoma no enti ofajere bo obi edi na ndie na oba waka enti no for example the names be na me fe be example
okay enti ye wo akosia ago aboaji
madam communication
Ejapia apamdada.
Eish. Kais.
Akosua ejewa kodie. Ohene yere maame yeboa isiama.
Oh yeah.
Yewo adwoa asare.
Chai. Kais. Svelte lady oh.
Yes.
Svelte lady.
Asare.
Svelte lady. By Slim things. Svelte lady.
Okay.
Svelte. SVELTE. Where's Nibia?
Ajua di Svelte lady.
Thank you.
Abena Bedu Adepa Kofi Abake.
Oh yeah, my name.
Oduma kumachi ame.
Obrempong. Ukwa abanwa betwaso. Metwe. I already yes.
Ampoma. Okono musuaba.
Me am to lose okono musuaba.
Me ko jai me wash it down am that.
And I want it.
Abochi aka Prof.
Thank you.
Dela Abochi aka Prof.
Thank you.
And you Prophet Godfred Dakwa.
Mango Day, okay.
Mango Day. And your Nana Safo Kantanka. You know guy boy.
Safo be mwano.
Ena your science wo. Abena Ruthy.
No.
International prophetess.
Owaha.
Aye. You do one you do. Sompa.
Delight. Okay, it's for names. Oh yeah. Because where your
science wo Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo Edu
Ampa Rhapsody
Sompa Rhapsody and I sound so a what tie Prophet Kofi Odro Prophet Dr. Kofi Odro
okay
into line up no
Match easy. Enti ebusiafo I said I'm say from producer hold names no. I mean yeah mabusia ne yeso abusia ne munti wunim omunyina. Enti wo ba eno ane se obeka se ebia Prophet Odro once said tie jai chimi. Now waka
me dey na best start
Una
no dey na kwa say that
eh sir My very lazy 4 lines no. Now for Fabra, I and to see a qua near tree break near Cotton near Saba near Twasso and then no. Oh, a piece so and my can lines release 884 0260 196064 0260 196065 and then the lines no Michelle. Yenya ye obi abade da offer wo de na beka beka e be work him
but me then the unique it's mini problem matu me pa.
All right my auntie for hello
hello
yes sir ye mo akwa baba Sompa delight so
yeah you to Abena Ruthy
nyame adom evangelist ana ana me dia boho me ba cho meet you
yeah kwa me ko abwande dia ni ba pete
pa cho kabio enti no akosia go abwaje one said why ni na yeah that's it amen on shall survive offer Jerry 85 dey need to dey na me say nyaboche
hello baby
do papa
hello mama
how are you?
I'm okay. Come on, what's up?
Hey, a day for you.
Yeah, the reading is cool. I'm taking care of myself, man. Come on, check it out.
All right.
He goes to my brother, Mr. Abuchi, a.k.a. Bro.
Aha.
Back to see that's the judge for the day.
So Prof. Abuchi once said, what has he said that you remember? Prof. Abuchi once said, oh, all right. Into Obika Prof. Abuchi, are you okay? Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Abena.
Yes, darling. Nyami adom na also
Oh, Wednesday na me line no emba
ampa ye hunsa. Oh, sorry. Sweetheart, jina ye mami. Asa wo line ni mafu. Aha, are you okay? Ampa. Aha. Hey, I see. Inti Abena Ruthy once said.
Bang bang.
Nice.
That's smart.
That's very smart. I love that. Okay. Yeah, that's the tell prayer. Hey, of a father and brand, yes,
Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro once said, "One will be our lotoa, we sit down in Slegon, Opa for Slegon, got so we sit down, wow, bet through Mojani, a year, Jumano, what's sorry, I see a dinner more. Now, Oba Sompa, Mante, ye Jumamu, Mojani, a year, Juma, a year.
Hello. Oh, my name. Me more Abena Sompa delight so.
Yeah, we have a man of a fantasy.
Oh, Mpacha Kwaba.
Yeah, bro.
Aha. Emrantia Hene.
Boy.
Boy. Ah, you and yet. Boy, I did.
One said.
Aha.
Oprah, what do you need? Oh, but now, Yania, the Crabia. There's the Crabia. And you're the Crabia.
And no. No. Why are there? Yeah, that's it. Okay, twaso.
Oh, be our the lotto. Sit down with East Legonda. Ko East Legonda ko se so mo ma ye japade o lotto ka ho. Wo sorry a mu be ye ejuma. Bremoje ni na ye ejuma ye kan. Unti ase.
Break. Mr. Ultra break. That me fa frefwe. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, me mo akwa baba Sompa delight so. Oh, mama cause ye mo akwa ba. Aha.
If I tell Koma, prophet Odo.
Aha.
Jamawi Shale.
Oh, na auntie akos make her say ya bo oh anyway. What the ending count? Into we fans are the ending count.
Oh, that be.
Some na dos the jamo.
Some otoboni pandi. I shouldn't say the particular thing and ipanaka.
And to see akoso. Koso count there no.
When so be obi the lotto sit down. Ewo East Legon. Ko East Legon na ko so mo sit down o no. Lotto kanwa. O so ye juma bremoje no ye juma oba aha oba Sompa ha mrantie bremoje ye juma mo so ya machin be juma mfia anajo be me bi te say Ransford mo e bi say girlfriend mo and systematic say oh friend ah so father we Reverend Kofi Oduro no Reverend Kofi Oduro no
Michelle sisi adem se memo hwe Reverend Kofi Oduro de ni bia ba nti that firu team na keka bi
oh and they be oh was a Reverend no there's a voice now they ban and I mean some so pushing no
and just some
so yeah means some pushing
ahode teacher
juma we say Ransford mo girlfriend mo and systematic say friend now say oh father yes
and there is you yeah. I see na papa friend no body bi ni ade
man voice is ayebo
oh okay
voice is ayebo no
oh okay and ni nyina ka ho ye gi ni nyina to
se hunu ne wo Ghana ha ye ka monti ase sesen monti ase sesen ye ka wedwa sesen aden ne sesen wedwa sesen nti Reverend Kofi Oduro no one said what wedwa aden ne sesen wedwa sesen
Hello, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. Just one day. Yeah, more
good evening.
Nice. Yo, yeah, today I'm more aquaba pa. Bibia boko. Me patrol anya problem crowd with the line. Enti mo fan che.
When I say me papa dia me pese anka me appreciate no ba to we program no. Afi na fi ma me na me ni ewu yi. Ala mo ka tell say o fan che me. Mo program no.
Mo fan che. Mo say nsuo na to toninti na eja mfidie ni ade na aye bibie wo ho mo fan che enti no next week de chia why mo fan che Inti why one step now oko.
Pacho me because me na come here na ka me ni am won me
just one day odi eka aye wenti.
Am pacho me that.
Manenko.
Pacho me first one e come mango day. Mango day.
Okay.
Listen to me. I will teach you the things your pastor do not teach.
Wow,
the help of the spirit.
Enti Prophet Mango Day once said,
listen to me. I will teach you the things your pastor do not teach. The help of the spirit.
Sharp.
All right. The second one, so Reverend Professor Otafu Edu. Joseph Otafu Edu.
Okay.
Pacho, onoto ne no, ote obi di Jimmy, ote finance Jimmy coin, obi di Jimmy ba, finance esi ne coin.
Wow.
There, if I am an example, there, if you are Antabra, Obiaka say, or the bigger wall. Now that tell is there, follow me. That is what the war. One must be me, service abroad, one must be no, you can give no amount.
Yeah.
Yes, I did it.
Yes.
It's funny, yes, and there was all children.
It's a Jimmy coin, ain't he? No,
it is one said,
okay.
One said,
Sharp.
Pacho, Bapo, one kata. Right.
And the Abena Ruthy once said, Sompa. Hey, when you feel crazy, why need you now?
And the last one, former anti-Abuja Abu. Okay, Apolano won't change them. Should ye not snap or not of a show? Apolano won't change them. Should ye not snap or not of a show?
Nyami shamu papa nyami shao yeah that's it. Hey, chese enye easy. Four no be boy you just one day.
Bullshit. People must understand. People must understand.
But who once said?
Mango day. Bullshit. No, mami sawa. People must understand. The mango day.
And I just was achra. Oh, yeah, bushia. And now was a with from an apartment. But no more she shame when yasem ketwa. Nina so be wow. And to who word now bet to me a car, maybe for a person who can be a.
Oh, okay. You were there for a make eligible anyway. And thank you again.
Wednesday. Encapsulate.
Engage.
Oh, and gender.
Sorry.
And gender. Aha, and gender. Into my main Kaiwo. Now you say and gender ye to say bibia ma bibi it happen like arouses something. So ebia bibia why na erase bibi ama bibia happen into and gender producer can ya can nti
bibia ama a result ama bibia result to bibi as
okay
as aroused to
exactly into and gender no hello hey Kaish. Yabo akwaba.
We dey wan move you. O na do wa.
Bacho kambe.
Auntie na do wa ni.
Auntie na o fine moe. Yabo akwaba. Hey, chale o dey there afakra o. Just a level na auntie na won enye. Ay. Auntie na mo akwaba because akwaba.
Yeah, man. Auntie Ruthy.
Yes, darling.
And I was saying from Madam, because class now they are next level.
Pato, Abena Ruthy ani dinasa. Yanko.
Okay. Madam Ruthy once said,
Adina, why did you know? It's back to Sisia, in fact. Aha.
I said,
Sa, man and cocky kako, Sisia, they may really say, and it's over now when you know waka. And see if you more.
One thing my there was shown here,
okay.
Like me, just West now, Mubanama, Sanama,
Now when you now sa pepe. Nakaino.
That time you
sharp. Until now I need I
never could be.
Okay.
I one said, "Will you see?
Hey, Antina, why did you know? Yeah, that's it. All right, I'm sure. I do, Joe. So I did it too. Yeah, that's it.
Sacrifice one to me, I'm sing the Chinese.
Oh no, baby. Oh no, baby. Baby. Hey, I don't know any now. Yeah, that's it. That is show. Hello,
catch it, and tonight, I do the do one more, but you pass do the do no. I don't know. Your father said, do the do dinner. And you need to do yourself.
Anne. I was a did the lemon who's a. Eish. Where they were on air. Aha, me too, Amedo.
Me, Professor Drosso. Who are cheering? I had a particular stop. Tell you, young microphone. Who are cheering? I had to fraud him. Who are cheering? I had to register company.
Oh! Oh,
minimum profit back up. Malatata, Suamadina,
Why did you know? I
said, the chroma is I said, I'll pay the movie and chroma.
Oh,
I can't move that. What does it say?
yeah, come with you.
Me no profit back up my back.
Who bets ye? And no. Why did you know? See that? Yeah, that's it, Papa. It's moment for last one near Coton, dear near Bania Trash. Hello. Aish. Yeah, Mama T. International Mama T. Award-winning Mama T. Aish. Okay. Oh, Kose, yes, I won't saka. And see more cover.
Thank you. Many brothers I want to make me
oh, yeah, I feel pie. And see what Freddy, why are they? I.
Papa.
All right. Hey. Yeah, that's it.
I'm not with you one say.
Uncle.
I'm not with you one say.
That's it.
Frobi. no be soon frobi, no be frobi, no be soon frobi, no be frobi.
Oh, sir, no ga Jenny says some delights o'clock as some
Prophet Dr. Kofi Odro.
O Kofi Biaba.
Prophet Dr. Kofi Odro. O say Kagana Sema, o say Mami, Anangamenga, why asem? O man then I mean asem. Kamenka asem. Me can say soft work am asem. Me go kan why asem.
Producer, me go pa dem brand son na for na sa to what.
Yes, it's here for say. On frobi, no be soon frobi. No be frobi, no be soon frobi. Sharp. Enche beba.
No.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo fi enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 0540 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de ye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na would dem
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka sentina ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese entina wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa. Sawo Pedudu 2 Ewon Kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso ababoy tontonte yan no nsane afadwen ne afadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeya adru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
74 yi so ya ye no sensuo krokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nkọ na wie ye wa abra mennom T74
mennom 74 menya hoden mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
woko pharmacy ana ba bia to no bia ubenya 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwabo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our Homayen, a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda, a Yagrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Numkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina Sheradins, na erade beye.
Afedia Sompano trendio. Sompa is trending and trending and trending. Trendy pa. It did no qua pa. And you declare say Sompa is no more a new station. And ye new cry.
Dear Wago no and no one which are Sompa. Yaba Sompa.
Hello.
Hello, mommy, Abena Ruthy.
Yes, mama. Hey, yes, papa.
Daniel, you from Kotoa, Canada.
Hey, Bradan. You mo kwa baba Sompa. Delight so.
Mo. But the medical come on me after going to pray first.
Okay.
We call Imran Tehini so.
Imran Tehini. One said.
I say, Sompa, and in a much more than more of the moon, the most that no one will be at Sompa. I didn't be
no. Why are you, Father? Why are you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You're more kwaba.
Yeah, nah. We need your fire for cold room. Okay. Me preaching not of that to come in near my car. Oh, friend, you be coming for what's your one of the girl driving. Okay. She be a little girl. Why are you want your money now? She be a little matter about no one.
No, 80 Prophet Odro once said. Yeah, that's it. Hello. Yes, darling. I so kona uni bibi. New Day Supporters Union, so I read you my Jamadia peso. Entianeno, a party. We're gonna party. Sweetie, my uncle. Okay. And I don't know. Sharp.
But that will be now. One for them must be the atom. Now, that will be more than I say, I'll call you to Mama, hey, you better. What down well? My madam, Mr. James to be in Casa. What down and say, I will go to
why didn't you know?
Shop what down for catching enough for down for drama.
Day and Cabana and I, your sister. Why didn't you know? Oh, I know. Yes. Why didn't you know? Medasi, sweetheart. Medasi. Hello. Yes, Papa.
But I just one day, my baby.
No, anyone. What's some background can have me?
Oh, okay. Where the number?
Okay.
Where me what I think the plumbing, SSG Kaka. But I'm okay. Me chef and a wire fastidious preparation now. Checking all the details that the area on the good. If I not fastidious now, I give baby.
Charlie, just on the what being pa? What being?
Thank you. Don't answer Abena Ruthy fastidious.
Hello, just one day, Medase. Can you want it?
Hello, Prof. Me Professor Abuchi.
Professor Abuchi once said,
for God and country, let me be a Wuti Moano, on PPP endpoint clinic in terms of the self-signboard.
No. Just one day, that's it. Hey, and I feel so. Not make us say New Day Supporters Union. Oh, my bademu ha. No, almost said the ensure not turn and now should be on my bomb on. So, I'm say Fridays there, yeah, German, you're fan to from cry. Last week, almost Esray say, oh, went to me and man this week on my back in Tinny. You knew more, Papa. Hello.
Yeah. Maybe I come,
oh, mommy. Yeah, more crab you.
Hey, you're 3 Ghana to the city. 3 Ghana to the city.
Tell us how I said.
3 Ghana to the city.
Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
To four, don't call me. And Tiago said, oh, nice.
The word is fabbing.
You do fabbing. And no.
Oh, just when you make a
hey, watch me, Marco. Watch me, Papa. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Media Professor Abuchi.
Pachamanenko.
Bema wabwata pito. Bema wabwata pito.
I don't know what Professor Abuchi once said, Bema about Abrijo. Okay. Where you home? Oh, they like you know. Anyway. Hello. Aish. Delight. Yeah.
And I think, not somebody in the bed.
Nyamin na yampa.
Nyamin bre, emin bre.
Nyamin
bre,
Sa. Auntie Akosia once said, Amen, Mama. On shall be that's it. Oh, I the dead, I toko na fe. Hello.
Hello, Abena.
Yes, Papa.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Memo Baba Sompa delight so.
Make sure I need them up.
Amen.
Sompa 106.5Fm. Auntie Akosia once said, Hadia, I won't the monster down
pro Jena pro Mekwa pro. Chale, you do. On fa tomatoes are pro. Jena pro, Mekwa pro. Oh, Miss I happy so. When I freestyle Friday, but what if Frobio? No be Frobi, no be some Frobi. I and check the stage. Remember new J Supporters Union. Now almost shaking. Hello. Hello. Yema Kwaba. Oh, hey, of Isaac. Hey, what's the name? What's on catcher? Bibi Aboko. Nice. Welcome.
I'm Bozo. Most of the time. No be paid ma. Mama Kosaba. No be paid ma. In a contract. No be paid ma. In a contract.
Okay. Auntie Akosia once said,
suffer or do something. When you are doing what would you say company?
When you are doing the register company,
No, okay.
Yeah, too.
What do you say? What a come by now when you are doing what do you say company?
Of Isaac, why did you know? Yeah, that's in your show, so. Okay. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Yeah, Mama Kwaba, some delight, so.
You are okay. Abena Ruthy once said, Sompa delight. Kofi Odo once said, Tuesday twice a day.
Tuesday twice a day.
Twice a day with excellent two tacos.
And no. Oh. Wait, if I choose it twice a day, then solid. Solid. But I use so Hawaii. Anyway, okay, so I think I saw one. Yeah, be na ye jai nama new day for. Emo mumrika krebi omu hume omu hume. Emo mumrika krebi na fe. Oma ba no oma ye yomo shijama no chese. Oh, you know how they deliver it. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pastor, I saw 4 months ago.
One said push.
Anna, I saw 4 Odru. Maya Kapora Masters, Gomi Masters, Mugrantes. Yes, I am Sapawatremo.
I don't know.
Yes, I am
Sir. Bye, Nina. Bye. Okay, Auntie, my baby should make me one set. Oh, Auntie, Akosia, Okodie, one set. On a short form. A short form. Auntie Akosia, the extended, or already a short form. Now, you make Akosia, Auntie Akosia, next week, remember. Hey, let's take it, remember. It's been an amazing time with your listeners, and me fa kwenye sundo munyi nasi obi afraid ya. I mean, we are amazing. We are so amazing. Ye bejai efidie no ama New Day Supporters Union. I na me say eneno. Omo baha no heavy duty for. Heavy duty for na eja omune ya kojamamu say ye nyina ni World Cup na ben papa we are like some 2 weeks away or 3 weeks 11th June. I think I'm calling calendar here say 2 weeks and not 3 weeks. Na sa kwowe omudi muntintima say beye Ghana ha amanone ni nyina omubedi muntintima pa omu ye solid ekwo. Ena omo ye kwa say ude wo support emo mo anasa resources ebo machi doma won tonchene because omo live up to standard no I omo penyini ni onam kwan so ne a couple of others na ebiaba mumu body ni chair na miti the last time first 3 ni buy no mu wo mudi nti ni mum benke nye benka mike nye cha nye be makwe. Mama ne won start say wa ben ho. Okay, all right, okay.
But your friend David Odum.
Me na ke David Odum.
Yeah.
And I saw nyen cry. But kasa no kra nkrai wo. Asa me die ni bi. Asantini a wetuba. Oh, Uncle David. Yeah, mo akwa baba Sompa delight so. Open so try Sompa delight bo ana. All right. If I nyabo chewa mean describe. So na ya na o shekona ho na wo bo ade na nanya wa. No wasa to nwom no. Aha. Yo, enti di no.
Majo, ye femi Emmanuel ni ate.
Buelega. O kole ya nsho. Me ne sha me kole ya nsho. Alo mene no ya. Emmanuel ni Yate. Oh, okay, wow. Amazing. Now many nicknames because typically I na nicknames so mu de Dina inti Uncle David, Uncle Ima, Uncle Ima. Na ka gbe be chop mi male. All right, gentlemen.
She angbela me chop Gajola.
Gajola. I see. Neno any nickname na she angbel.
Well, guy name.
Guy name no me minto. O guy name.
Mun guy name ye ba me ajo me pon.
Chai. Pon. Nice. All right.
No acho me ni ama. Akola ke New Day. Chairman Jimmy.
Okay.
Any be.
Oh, okay. Would you vice say?
Me no ni ko drama say no. Okay. Supporters Union. Alaji 40.
Okay.
Overall boss say.
Okay.
If you when you hotel no.
Okay.
Because so boring wa. Ike Alhaji Guntu, Mr. Kasum, Brinya ke Apriku Chakapama. Nice.
That's right.
40-40.
Okay. Okay.
You were president.
Okay.
Shida Hale.
Yeah.
Ghana Supporters Union.
Okay. Okay.
Shida no.
It was when you wing at New Day Supporters Union. Okay.
Kau told me guy name here. Ko Shabusu kan actually Mutala. She the real guy name here and actually Santino.
Santino. Hey, make I say kai. Born simple. Santino is simple. If you ne. Gadiola. Footballer bidiana. Okay. Wow. Shanka ko kan cry. Asemo. In cry for mukasa we na cry na ba mitim. Abena. Enti ewe mama kwaba. Ai na senia ya metiefu ehu no. Ena senia mo ne yete da no. Ene mo aba. Se mo be shija mapa pebi. Ama ye de adwodwe ye ho se ye ko weekend say ye wedding say ye den ye de wo so ye ho ai e china say me call apam because me sister friend say Miss G or ye convergence of mothers e wo ho che say no man na ye invited 9 a.m. e wo lapam ada kese ho enti ne che say me ko enti me panyo mo e be wo so me na eja e be shake me fa me wie so na Sunday ma ko Prophet Atara ne Atara praise ewo munchire me Atomic Junction Atomic Junction bi o de odu Atomic Junction ba hu ne signboard ne say si ho Sunday ne ye de ato aso ntiti ano mi be jama mo munjengum na mo so na etie no na mo frefre no o mo twa mo to aso mai ni nyina e da mase Producer Nyaya and Kebe all night. Hey, New Day Supporters Union. Oh, Nefefe, you do all. Wow. Last week, not yet can't about a I feel there's some trending. Last week, your friend need any car drums. Last time, then me feel drums no. Hey, from Uncle David to Uncle Ima, and I'm bra ni. It sounds like Niama, right? Yeah, Niama. Oh, my nina. Amazing. Yeah, what time my drums near Bonafe? I'm so amazing. So New Day Supporters Union. Yami Shramo. On Koswam Famunuechre. Offering Kobo on Tibet Nemuni ending Komona Kakra artist. Aye, because Omo can the omudi kan ba me ne omudi nkomo na bra why guy did that corner hososo obebo di nti 3 na aka no ombebo omudi na ndi eja ai because first we need ni omo edi nkomo na no na yenko enti bra o she black na ujina na ase ono no gentility of ability ojina corner ho na oye no gentle but edi ni yede
for sure within the safe cover.
Ojini Joseph. Oh wow, Brajo. Yeah. And I Niama neti fifi. And I your boss neti hey. Of a mental okay. Menuwa. Okay, fine. Okay, it's my main call a Brad gentility. Second one now. Oh, they share space because you perceive who a back screen is so near whom to share or a guy. Pacho Bodino.
But your friend David Babington, aka Anagoji.
Hey, now, aka now, Macra, if I'm refused, so I was a Musa wake.
Kuje.
Hey, sir. Kuje, because when the guy in a man, who should have a only guy name? Obi our guy name. Papa. My tonka. Pacho bra Mike and Hoka crack.
What's your Mr. Midi Elijah Kwame?
Hey, Elijah Kwame. Who's to nickname your day? Terminator. Now, only Bibi, I say, Omuna Bible Muji. David, Joseph, Emmanuel, Elijah, because David here too, right? Yeah. Aye, wow, amazing. Muye nyamin krofampa. Na moral. Oh, ejuba no maede. Ye Philippa. And today they call New Day Supporters Union, boss. Any enkasai?
Yedi kai. Ebe diet here for us. Say every Friday, you know. Omunya akwenya obi owo bibi ye krapo time no do pe no abet na ni TV ni radio or New Day Supporters ya mora no ebe show mo boss ebe koso a amomura na utie na bia uhun to ukra utie with morality na
that's right
wa ho pika
exactly body ni jina painting
stadium na ekona ya yangongo chi jama keke but the sweater
susum
uwo pressure uwo bibi adin da usukra po ebe
na if you was so ampa
ebe ko so amomu samura na every Friday and I me sign achia me Ghana supporters the entire executives.
Okay.
No di kan me papa Alaji Polo 4040.
Okay.
Met Gina Konya no so as chia the entire Ghana supporters executives. Every leader. No di kan me papa Alaji Polo 4040.
Aye, Alaji.
Metino so a. Mama sorry. Any se me see me bobodi ndia me nyan
e bia na waje bipo nti Alaji ni na pamfo ni na nice
ebe am say ye go awboaso preparation towards the
World Cup
so kura abu
abane
as a leadership no kwa be fa so bia o say mbua ye memes no
okay
eguso but ya Ghana bibi ebe ko yi a na mu media na so na anko yi nso na mu media na so to be say 2-3 weeks ni nyama ye titi nyama ye kika through social media and ye crofo ya an crow nyame ni enye but ye bende aduma ni ye aduma
sa
ye ka asema yen ka asema ewom
yen ka asema ewom yen ka no kre no
e ma yen ka en say
okay
yes nti ye be pagana for nyina acho eni ye nuano media for no it's wrong baby edu no ye mpese
atesem no aya na ye aduma ye man positive
yes
yeah because new day supporters union there mo ye krojin o me dey atu dwamaka obi ate mo ye krojin chese no kra ne de mo aye module say mo be pursue integrity so ye key for you enti obi a e wo say odi emwa bia e wo ho eboa new day supporters union you can be sure say omo ni da ho ay no credit she be wanako am obi ate sa bibia be fine mwenya de montuma aboso mpantuma anu de sompa e market yapa enti mu ba mo abesum ye tiefo no mu benya aketuapa e be ye adwuma mamo okay maybe ne ya be enti mu final words bia mo fa tu dwa na afi ye nkretiefo
ne Yameka association say
okay
ti say always here by ye ka see aduma no edin ye nko aye ntumi
that's right
na yenya obi a obetumi aso ya sina because yenya instrument drums na ye bo no yenya instrument yenya like emwa yenya support
okay
and ye jamana ye shi no enya stadium pe wari na weni di jama ho ufre ya ye beba
nice
ye ufre ya ye beba
okay to occasion bia
ufre ni supporters union
birthday
okay ye beba abema program no ayeje
nice then say jama dia na ye new day supporters union me say jama dia na ye new day supporters union
always nso me ba na minimum executives
okay
but in terms no so nti
now to me introduce you
me bra oti mensa left
okay
the whole new day supporters union the chairman
oh
your friend Mr. Robert
Elia okay cry ni
and your team inside
okay guy
organizer
Brother David fine boy
organizer
okay organizer okay
the about organization so oya dey
nice
kakra ebeja
mate ye damase na ye srera de say onkoso anomuamu onkoso anomuam like I said mode muntuma boy ntuma anu de mu benya ketuaba baby a mu be fa bia mu benya favor baby e dan ni mu ato bia e be bia mam because mo show do ache ye tiefo ene yen enti ni saaso na erade e be dom aboa mu enti ye da se pa se mo ba ye you know we ye nim say da bi mu wo ba bi ni ade but mu make it time because na mo ahebo mudi bu boshe so dia ene erade be di ni boshe so ama
ene ya mu bom pa ye say so no so e beto a ntunu bu asene nto because anka little beba
nsuo no na ama mi amelete
na so the president o kan ni refi adi bako Sompa one said uja warrior fair e be bobo ama
when the new day supporters one said I just have a car anyway that was a pass up by Nyami Shamu on come that's it etfo Sompa delight o'clock no so I when it's ya pon sa me da new day supporters union as biom so mu gibre e ba ye omuni leadership nyina I na madam producer one Elder Jerry me that I say me that Lady Jo and DJ DJ also internet person na a face St. Augustine. In fact, St. Augustine need Lady Jo and interchange into no me do say double and then rich Miss my special me who no Oti jamano na it just say a kikile and no buy ain't rich. Yeah, dawasi nyame no mo ate bibia be fine anti akosi aso bete ha w anti adwoa bete anti akosi de o she ho na oti anti akosi one said enye communication this time tomatoes are pro Jena pro mekwa pro abusiafo edian me just ane Abena Ruthy me sorry see professor aye crado pa yes Professor Abuchi once said then for God and country end point prof oh yeah that's it you don't be biase intino time na bana Sompa for God and country Mr. Menko baby channel
Sompa no